is you're gonna come over here.
Yes, sir.
Nope.
I'm right with you.
Not behind me.
No, I'm right with you. Let's get this girl out of here.
Okay, so real quick, what's your name?
Eric Joseph Martel.
Eric Joseph?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hang tight for me. I'll be right back. Okay? Hang tight. Hey. Don't be looking at her, okay? All right. So, what's your name?
Eric Joseph Martel.
Eric Joseph? You don't have any weapons or nothing on you, do you?
No, sir, you can check.
All right, I'll have you just kind of spin that patching out for weapons.
No problem.
All right, hands up. All right. I just gotta make sure.
Last night, heart attack.
I just gotta make sure. Okay.
Now I'm back in business.
Okay.
Just talk to her. She's fucking freaking because she's scared of what?
Okay, so I'm trying to de-escalate the situation here without us getting any further. First of all, did anything physical happen, or is it?
No, hell no.
I just gotta double check.
I paid.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do. I didn't pay for it, but I have yeah.
Okay.
I'm not driving. I got everything you want to know.
Am I pulling that out for me?
Yeah. 100%. I'm no disrespect. I'm about it.
Perfect.
But I'm not gonna let nobody disrespect me, cop or anyone.
Okay.
You're hurting the business.
We're here to stop anything from hurting. Okay.
And talk to me.
All right. I just gotta
Don't fucking freak out about what I'm doing.
I'm not freaking out about nothing.
She is. She's the problem.
Well, we're here to figure out what exactly happened. Okay. All right. So
I hired a cab. She took me the wrong way. I said, take me back. You're going the wrong way.
were you already in the vehicle and you left?
Yes.
Okay.
Paid transaction.
Just because she's going the wrong way is the way you would go, she has to follow her GPS.
We don't go to Port Charlotte to go North Inglewood.
All right.
Period.
So your answer to this is to raise.
Down. I yelled at her.
Okay. So you think
Freedom
that,
of speech.
you gonna shut up now or what?
No.
Oh, yeah, I think you should.
Eric.
What, you gonna get bowed up?
I'm listening to
I'm
you.
ready.
You're not listening to me.
You would disrespect and I'll
I'm asking you
get
to
paid.
listen to me.
I'll get paid.
I'm asking
you
you to
relax.
stop.
You're the de-escalator.
Eric,
Exactly what I'm doing.
You're the
I'm just
de-escalator.
talking.
Back up.
I'm talking to you, and I need you to calm down.
Then back up and I'll talk to you. But you don't push on me.
I didn't touch you. I haven't touched you.
Then back the fuck up.
I don't need to. You need to stop.
Okay? I need to stop what?
So are you going to
Two
continue
punches
to
don't
cause...
fucking do it.
Are you threatening
You-
to punch me? Is that what
No.
you're doing? That's not a good idea. So
What the fuck are you talking about?
the incidents here...
Are you fucking putting hands on me?
Does it look like I am?
I think you are.
Stop spitting on me.
Back up. It
So-
de-escalates.
I am.
Then back up.
I'm not backing up. You need to leave.
I'll
Start
back.
walking.
No.
Yeah.
I'll take it to the hill.
Okay. I'll be right back with the trespass warning.
Go ahead. Bitch. You heard me. I see you. I know you. I know everything about you.
you need to stop.
Then take care of this.
We are right now.
Let it go.
We're not letting anything.
I know where he lives. You want me to announce? And his kids and his family?
Mind stop spitting on me?
One deputy goes to speak to the owner to determine if he wants Eric to be trespassed from the property.
He's obviously causing a disturbance here. Would you like him trespassed from your property?
You with the right one. Get out of here, bitch.
You need to stop looking at her. Okay?
You can drop it at a later date, but for now, I don't think he needs to be here.
No, he doesn't need to be here.
So,
See, he needs to go to the tank.
I'm walking out. Stop me.
No, as of right now, hey.
Fuck you.
well, the problem is I can't just arrest him because he's intoxicated. He's got to be causing a huge disturbance, which he's not there yet. So that's why I'm asking if you want him trespassed. I can then fill out a
See?
Hey,
Put hands on me. Put hands on me. Put hands on me.
Stop. Stop.
Watch it.
They don't
Put
want me.
hands on
Stop.
me. You putting hands on me?
Stop.
stop.
Watch me roll you.
You need to stop.
I am the fucking man.
You're a man, yes.
Then you better back the fuck up.
You want him trespassed? Okay. You are now trespassed from this place. We're gonna file.
No, I need to hear from the owner.
He just told me right now.
In paper.
Okay, go over here. We're
No,
gonna give you a trespass warning.
Don't fucking touch
We're
me.
going over here. You're being trespassed.
Don't fucking touch
You're
me.
being trespassed.
You see that?
You're being trespassed.
You want
need
this
to
to
step
go
over here.
easy or soft?
Come on, sir.
One more time.
telling
I
you.
listen. You better listen.
I'm telling you to go over there right now. You're being trespassed. Do you
For what?
understand? They just told me to trespass you. You're
For
being
what?
Trespassed. Exactly what you're doing right now, causing a disturbance. Now,
And I
please.
respect that.
All right, now let's go.
Don't fucking put hands on me or you're gonna
Then
die.
get over there now. You need to stop.
You better get like 3 of you.
I'm not going to need 3 of them. Trust me. So let's go.
You will.
Come on, Eric.
There, let's go. Come on. Go
I'm
over to the
asking
car.
you to be nice.
I am being nice.
I'm
Now
gonna put
get
you
over to the
down.
car.
You'll never fucking get up. You'll never fucking
Taser, taser, taser. Get over
What?
there.
Let's
Take it out.
validate.
There now.
Let's validate. Don't fucking. I'll take you.
Right now. You're
Pressure
gonna
won't
get
give me
tased.
traffic taser out.
Get over
I'm
there
gonna
now.
knock
You're
you
going to get
out.
tased. Let go of me now. You're committing a felony now.
I don't give a fuck.
Stop.
Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Now!
Hands behind your back now.
Eric!
I'm trying to listen.
On your
I'm
stomach!
trying to listen.
On
Put your
stomach.
hands behind your back.
On your stomach! Hands behind your back!
You know, where I go, I'm gonna be me.
Yeah, stop.
Take them off. Take them off. Take them off, and I'm gonna listen.
No, we're past that point now.
No, we're not.
We're past that point.
Then call the unit. You know who I'm fucking talking about. Call the fucking special unit. I am giant on the man.
All right. Guys, stand up. Please step your knees.
Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up, please.
To your knees.
I lived through everything. I'll never go to jail. You want to bet?
It didn't have to go this way.
Call my liaisons. I'll get the feds over you. Hey, you guys f***ed up because now the what?
You did. You did.
How?
Stop.
How?
Stop.
How the f***
Stop.
up?
Just go
I
sit
got
down.
you. I'll see you in person.
We're going this way.
In
We're going
person.
this way, sir. We're going this
We're
way.
going this way.
Pick that up.
You will
In a minute. It's not going anywhere. It's staying right there.
You don't know who I am? I'll be back.
Not here you won't, sir.
Nope.
I'll be in your fucking family.
Don't threaten our family. That's not very smart.
Then respect me. But you put hands on first.
I never touched you first.
What?
We tried to from the
Tried
very
it.
beginning.
Yep.
We tried to respect you from the very beginning. And now,
Hey.
now we're here.
Do what you gotta do.
Well, then please walk.
Do what you gotta do.
Then please walk
Tell me where.
to that car right
This
there.
vehicle right here on the left-hand side.
Hey, the whole place burned down. Watch. Kaboom. Taxi, you are so
Right over here.
I got you.
We gotta take those out. You got the removal.
Yeah, I should.
You, motherfucker. I'm gonna personally you.
Looks like an EMS coming here to check you out.
Yeah,
You're-
that.
I have to.
Save your life. You don't respect me. Respect goes forwarding but backwards. I would respect you for your service. You treat me like shit.
No, sir, I did not.
You fucking didn't hear nothing. Why? Because I'm yelling? Yeah.
He
Yeah.
started talking to you and he started
No,
escalating.
you told me what I had to do. No, you broke the law right there.
No.
Right there. You want to bet?
I told you you had to leave. We
I'm
told you
gonna
to
walk from
trespass.
this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk from everything. Because you disrespected the law.
I didn't disrespect anything.
What do you mean? Hey! What have I done from, bitch? I'm gonna be back in 3 days! 3 motherfucking days! Count them! 3 days! Hey!
All right.
Talk to me right, I'll
All right.
respect you.
He's got to pull these out, okay?
What? You got about 6 of them? 7!
Oh, there's only
What? 7!
no, just 4.
Now I know what to expect. I can defend against it.
Why would you want to put yourself in this condition again?
You fucking put it in there.
No, sir, I did not. We just need to get him checked out. I had to tase him. We had 2 5-second rides.
Yes, you had to tell us. You said, hey, do this.
No, I just need you to make sure his vitals are good. Yeah. He seems to be okay, but I just want to make sure that.
When I show up on the scene of a disturbance, that is then
You
my scene.
protect it, and you de-escalate.
When I show up to the scene of a
You're
disturbance,
going to be on news.
okay.
Watch. Your family's private. It's everything.
Sir.
I'm going to fucking bash you.
Hi. Hi. You can step out of the vehicle and we'll talk over here, okay? Do you have your no, I'm saying you can get we'll talk out here. And do you have your driver's license? Oh. Okay, so we didn't get a chance to speak with you before that incident, okay? So give me a rundown real quick of what happened between you and Eric.
Yes, I picked up this person and I started taking U-turn.
So you picked up Eric? The one that was over there that was causing
In
issue?
black, yeah.
Yeah,
with
okay.
black. Yes, and I started making U-turn because the map shows me that I have to go this way. And he started yelling, no, you have to go.
Where's your sergeant? I want your lieutenant.
He's not here.
Get him.
Nope.
Yeah, I have that right.
No, guess what? They're not working today. It's Saturday.
Well, then that eases my fucking court case. You
I didn't disrespect you.
Yep, you didn't give me the ultimate. Hey, you didn't give me my proper due.
Yes, and I started making U-turn and he started yelling, no, you have to go this way. I said, no, I cannot because I have my map in Uber. And he said, no, you will do it. I said, no, I'm not gonna do it. He said, I paid for the ride. I said, your friend texted me that he ordered the ride for you and he has to put your address, and he said, okay, go to my friend, and I brought him.
So he told you to come back, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and he called his friend, and his friend and this man started yelling as he did, and
He started yelling before we got here?
yes, at me on my car, and then at the window he started yelling. And I was scared because I don't want next driver lady to get him like this, because I didn't know when did he want me to go with him, and I was scared. That's it. No.
So he
Didn't touch me, nothing.
He didn't touch you. You didn't
No,
get
absolutely.
physical with you? It was just
No,
verbal. Okay.
just started yelling, and was very
Yelling.
aggressive. And I thought maybe if I started now going, maybe he has some gun. I don't know. He will kill me. And I started.
You felt scared?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I started call you
Okay.
immediately. That's it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. I got my pen ready. Okay.
All right, and then this is going to be your guys' copy.
Okay.
So if he is to return, he will be subject to arrest.
Has this guy
Again.
ever been in here? Mm-hmm. He has? Mm-hmm. Doesn't look
They said he had a heart attack like 2 days ago. And they said he does have a mental issue. But no excuse for what.
No, absolutely not. But